Hi everyone, it's Dave here from davestravelpages.com and this is day 12 of my bike tour around Greece. At the moment I'm on the west coast of Greece near a small town called Riza and I'm staying here for 2 nights in an apartment which is €20 a night. Sweet. I'm not going to do any cycling today, instead I'm just going to do a few chores. I've got to go to the supermarket, I've got to check the beach out obviously, go over the bike, just have a quick once over and do some work, which is maybe not the most interesting video, but let's see what happens. We'll have a little chat about bike touring and the trip so far, what lays ahead, and I don't know, whatever else comes to mind. So here we go. So when I said that there wasn't any cycling today, it wasn't entirely accurate because I've got to go down to the supermarket and get some supplies. Well, I've got to find a supermarket first, so I've just taken down my empty pannier. I could check my washing as well. Told you this was going to be an interesting video. But still, it's one of those chores that needs to be done, and I've dropped my key. Excellent. All looks to be washed. I mainly tend to hand wash the laundry on these smaller tours. For less than a month, I'm quite happy to hand wash it, and then probably once a month, I would prefer to machine wash it somewhere. So let's go and find a supermarket. The beach is literally just 50 meters away. And it's a pebble beach, but look how beautiful it is. It's got these bleached white tree trunks that have washed up on the shore with a random pipe sticking out of it. Not too sure what that's about. And there's no one here. So at the minute, I think it's September 19th or 20th, one of those two, not entirely 100% certain. The weather is beautifully warm, but there's just no one staying here. Everyone has a tendency to visit Greece during August, which is absolutely the busiest time of year, which is a bit of a shame. But it's not a shame for me because I get to enjoy this by myself. So I think what I'm going to do, don't know if you can just pick up the bike there, sweet. So I think what I'm going to do is head down here probably at 5 o'clock and then go for a swim in these waters here, which look amazingly clear. Look at that. You see the little sailboat as well over there. So yeah, I think a little 5 o'clock swim will do me well. Oh, shall I do some work or shall I just stay here? Shall I stay here a week? Little slice of paradise. Still, let's get on with the supermarket run. I just passed a little campsite which had a mini supermarket. I'm going to carry on a little bit further and see if there's a bigger one, probably be a bit cheaper. I think there's a little village, I don't know, a couple of kilometres away. It's really sleepy here. See, it looks great now, but I wonder what it's like living here during the winter when you get a harsh, cold wind coming over. I imagine that life is a little bit different then. I'm not sure how busy this gets during the summer months either, really. It's kind of in a bit of a weird place. In terms of access for foreign visitors, I guess Greeks know all about it. That's not a good sign. I've got to come back this way tomorrow with a loaded bike. Not found a supermarket yet so far. Oh, there's a church over there. I might go and check that out. So I'll have another look for another 5 or 10 minutes and then head back to the camping supermarket. The supermarket's only open between 2 and 5, which is a bit of a shame, so I'm going to head back to the camping supermarket and see what's in there. There's plenty of tavernas around though, so I'm not going to go hungry. It's a very pretty church, isn't it? That's the grocery shopping done then, and that came to €11.15. So I've got enough for 2 cooked meals today. Breakfast for tomorrow, road snacks for tomorrow, probably snacks beyond that as well. So that works out nicely. So now it's going to be cycle back to the apartment and do some work for the day. Now, work for the day is going to consist of, well actually the first thing I don't consider work. So the first thing is making and uploading a couple of videos. I don't consider this work for 2 reasons. Firstly, I like doing it, and secondly, it doesn't make any money. So, but I want to do it anyway, so I prioritise that because that's actually what I prefer doing. Then after that, I have got to send some newsletters out to a couple of my newsletter lists. Got to update a couple of websites. Got to run one test. This is all very vague, I know, but you know, I thought I'd share with you what it is I'm going to be doing. I'm going to write a blog post, and I think that's going to be about it. But I think that's going to take me, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours to do all that, I should think. So that will work out nicely, and then I can go for a swim afterwards. And then I'll head back to the apartment, get something else to eat, because I'm going to eat all day, and then prepare today's video. So it'll actually be 3 videos in the end. Yeah, that's what my day is going to consist of. Let's go back to the apartment. Let's have a quick look at my grocery haul then. So this was €11.15, and I've laid it out from unhealthy down to reasonably healthy. Now please keep in mind that I don't suggest that this is a diet that you should follow. It just happened to be what's there, and I've also got some fruit in the fridge. So this is what I ended up buying. So some mini croissants, I'll have those in the morning. I'll have this at some point, probably as I'm cooking. So then we've got some biscuits, yum. 2 tinned meat, which is, well, it says it's pork. Let's, well, we'll assume it is pork. A tomato juice, some eggs, mixed nuts, pasta, and some milk. So out of that I'm going to get 2 cooked meals, a breakfast, and like I said, snacks for the road as well. And there we go, that was my grocery haul. I better cook some of it now. I've been hard at work for the last 5 or 6 hours, so I think it's time to reward myself with a swim. Let's go to the beach. Now I didn't bring any proper swimming shorts with me, and these are a pair of inner cycling shorts, which I think between me and you, I've probably had it now. They're probably not going to last much longer, so I think I'm going to go swimming in them, and then I'll throw them away at the end. They've served me well. I've only had them like, I don't know, 5 or 6 years, but I think I got my money's worth out of those, so let's go for a dip. The sky is a little bit hazier than it was this morning, but it's no less beautiful and it's no busier. Wow, it's amazing. That looks like a nice place to take a seat and get ready to swim. I'm not sure how cold this is going to be. You hear me screaming like a girl. It's been cold. Ah, actually, that is not too bad. I hope this camera's waterproof. Okay, I'd say that's the perfect end to a perfect day. Went for a bit of a bike ride, had lots to eat, had lots of water, did a bit of work, had myself a nice swim. Yeah, it's been pretty good. So daily spend for the day was €11.15, and I think the lesson of the day is, yeah, if the water's warm, take a swim. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for now.